Hello friends, today we are unboxing a BLDC or an energy saving fan. First of all, what is BLDC? How we can save the energy while using a BLDC fan? What is the difference between a BLDC fan and a normal ceiling fan? What is BLDC? The full form of a BLDC motor is a brushless direct current motor. As per the name, in BLDC motor, there is no brush used between rotor and stator for transferring electricity supply. So, it's called a brushless DC motor. How we can save energy while using a BLDC fan? What is the difference between a BLDC fan and a normal ceiling fan? You know what? A normal ceiling fan consumes a maximum of 75 watts, whereas the maximum power consumption of a BLDC fan is 28 to 32 watts. The electricity consumption cost of a BLDC fan is 950 rupees, whereas a normal ceiling fan costs 2500 rupees per year. Oh my god. So, in general, we are saving an amount of 1500 per year while using a BLDC fan. Cool, right? I know you guys are about to say the price of BLDC fans are comparatively high. Yes, I know. But remember, suppose we spend 3000 rupees for a BLDC fan where we are saving 1500 per year on electricity bills. Within 2 years, for sure, we can retain the price we spend on these fans. The best part is when we are out of power, the BLDC fan can run 3 times more on an inverter battery as compared to an ordinary induction fan. We have a dedicated remote for this fan which help us to set up a timer or a sleeper during the winter seasons. Here I bought a BLDC fan from Flipkart which costs around 2900 after the offers and deductions. A perfectly packed cover. I really like it. The package consists of a motor, 3 blades, hanging rod, remote, 2 AAA batteries and mounting screws. As you can see, the motor is very sleeky, stylish and lightweight design which has a transparent cover with LED lights on it that can also be used as a night lamp. Personally, I like the design of the blade. Company claims that they have added a metallic finish with dust resistant coating on it. Here we have a hanging rod which is black in color. Looks pretty cool. We have the mounting screws. The tiny little remote and the AAA batteries which help us to set up a timer or a sleeper during the winter seasons. Overall, I like it very much. What about you guys? Now tell me which one you like the most, BLDC or an ordinary ceiling fan? Do let me know the comments and feedbacks in the comment section. Hope you guys like the video. See you next time. Stay tuned. Bye bye.